how to fix your Roblox not loading in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check your Roblox server status. Go to status.roblox.com and check if all servers are operational. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your internet connection, try restarting your router or modem, or even try using a wired connection or switch to a different network. Now, once you've done that and it's still not working, try restarting your Roblox application or simply clear PC cache by pressing Windows plus R and typing %temp% and delete all the files in the folder. If your application has any updates pending, then you would be high likely facing this problem. Or if you're using any kind of VPNs or proxies, make sure to disable that. If none of it works, you want to simply try reinstalling the application or contacting help.roblox.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.